What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on my 2016 Toyota Tundra Platinum. We're going to be replacing the driver's side front park sensor right here. About a year ago when I was hunting, it quit working, and it would work during the summer. Whenever it was warm, it would work. But when it got cold, it quit working. But now it doesn't work at all, and we're kind of in the winter time here in Missouri again. So I bought a new sensor that we're going to replace, and I'll take you guys along for the ride. So right now they're off. There's a button down here to turn them on right here, you see. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna show you the issue I'm having. Only when it's cold. In the summer it doesn't have a problem, but in the winter time or late fall, when it starts getting below 45-ish, 50 degrees, I get this issue now. So my front left park sensor, I think, has an issue. It started last deer season, and you'll see it shows all of them are flashing, but when you first turn it on, just that front left one starts flashing. Last deer season, truck got really muddy because it was really wet. And I'm not sure if I got mud or water in the sensor. I tried to clean it, but I took it apart, took it out. There was mud on the back of the sensor. I cleaned it up. I didn't see any corrosion on the connectors, but so I'm not sure. Alright, guys. So my fender liner has been modified for bigger tires. Usually there's a flap that hangs here, and I pushed it forward, as you can see. But it's actually really scary how easy these liners come off. There's a 10 mil bolt, a 10 here, a 12, and another 10, and then this whole splash panel will come off, and I'll show you how flimsy this bumper looks. So that bolt just took off, and this one are more of the core support bolts. So once these come out, it gets pretty flimsy. This is the 12. So most of this front of this Tundra is plastic, which is kind of a disappointment, in my opinion, from when I bought it. I love the color match look, but my last Tundra had I had a 14. It had the same kind of bumper. It was flimsy. My 2011 and 2010 Tundras actually had stronger bumpers, I think. But anyways, here we go. All the bolts are out, so there you go. Splash panels out. As you can see, look how flimsy. There's a metal crash bar here, but pretty flimsy. Alright, guys, this is my replacement park sensor. As you can see, there's little tabs you got to push down to get it out from the bumper. So I'm gonna go remove the one that's on my truck by reaching inside the bumper. It's hard to video that, but I'm gonna reach inside the bumper and push these tabs down like this to get it out. I'm gonna use one of these just to hold what I've done in place here while I push the other tabs. There we go. Alright, so there's a push tab here, but the easy way I found to get this old sensor off is to take a flathead screwdriver, a small one, and just pry up right here, and then pull once I get it loose. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. That's out. Alright, so as you can see, that front sensor was the problem. It's working now. I have it pointed where it's triggering. I don't know if you can hear that. It's changing the tone. But yeah, so put it back together now. So the port sensors are the same for these. The Tundras only have one there, one there. They don't have anything in the middle, which is kind of a disappointment too. But anyways, so it's the same part number for this left corner or right corner, passenger side corner, and driver side corner. They're the same part number. But that's how you replace it. Pretty easy. I'm standing here in front of the Land Cruiser. I'll talk a little bit. Part of me dislikes these sensors. It's kind of why I hated to get a Platinum in the first place, is I knew that as the truck got older, and it's got like 65,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna make a video, or it might already be up, about the issues I've had with my Tundra. The only thing, I'll just recap it here. So the door panel has some wear on it, and then this front park sensor. That was the only electronic error I have, or only issue I've had. Is this front electric park sensor. But just thinking about this truck in general compared to like a new Tundra, it's simple. I've heard that like the new Tundras on the higher trims, each headlight has its own like ECM or something, so that's kind of crazy. More computers to go wrong. But I kind of worried about the blind spot monitoring on this truck and the park sensors, so this is my first time having to replace a sensor. It was about $100, so it's got 2 in the front, 4 in the back. So if you figure $100 each, I mean, that's $600 in sensors, assuming you do it yourself, which I'm lucky enough I know how to do it. So, but if you had to pay someone, it'd be probably $1,000 to replace all 6, I would assume. So, but yeah, guys. So that's how you replace the park sensor. I'll do more videos about my Tundra here, how it's holding up after 8 years or so. Probably do some video about the Land Cruiser here. It's got way more tech than my truck, but we'll see how it holds up too. See, it's only got 2 sensors too. They're painted though. But yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments. If you've had any issues with your Tundra, let me know. I've been following the new one, and there seems to be a lot of issues with the new one. So I really wanted to upgrade, but I think I'm going to hang on to my 16 Sunset Bronze Mica for a while. This is the only really major issue I've had, is this park sensor. Everything else has been great. The truck drives great. I'm going to do another video about how my toy techs and everything, my whole setup's been. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you would do with this truck next. Maybe I haven't done a whole lot with it, but I kind of like to get back to building it up, because I think it looked cool. I think it still looked great. I think it looks better than the new ones, the 22s and ups, and it just looks more muscular, I think. especially the side profile. I think it looks really good. So, all right, guys, have a good one.